All right, we'll see this how to create a Maven project and add the Selenium dependencies in Maven project and launch this browser for you know this Selenium. So let's try. I went to this file, a new Maven project. If you are not able to find this Maven project, you should have to be check into this other cell. File, new Maven project. If you are not able to find this Maven project here, you can click on this others and select, scroll down. You'll find MVL, that is Maven, and select Maven project and click on next. You should check this checkbox, create simple project, and next, and provide your group ID and artifact ID, which replicates into this your XML, form.xml, right? I'll give this Selenium learning, Selenium learning. For the places same I have provided, and I'm not doing anything here. Packaging as a jar only, so nothing changed here, right? I'm clicking on finish. So my project is creating now. You can see this Selenium Learning is project name, and this packages are creating source folders. With the Maven, one benefit is we'll have a folders, packages, or what I'll say, the folder structure will be created. So in this, we can find like the main Java, SRC main Java, SRC test Java, two things. Let me highlight that thing. To write your Java code, and you will find this no two things. One is SRC main Java and SRC main Java. This is SRC main Java and SRC test Java. This is test Java. And here, if you want to find out any other uh, if you want to write your Java, you can write into this main Java, test Java. And if you have any resource in the sense, it's like whatever files or any supporting things, if you have, that you need to be keep in the resources, this resource, right? Main supporting files in main resource and this Java supporting files into this test resource. So this is the benefit with the Maven. One benefit is like it will have this folder structure, and as well, you'll also have form.xml. This form.xml is going to be connect with this Maven repository, online Maven repository. Whatever dependencies you will give it, once it connects with this Eclipse or your computer connects with this computer internet, and it automatically downloads your Maven dependencies, which you have given dependency right inside the form.xml. We'll see soon that. Okay, so now this project is created, Selenium Learning, and also you have four source folders. One source folder, another one is main and test, Java, as well as resource and resource, right? And there is system libraries, we know it with which is Java project, right? And it is a kind of Java project, and so whatever needed for this writing a code for Java, it's already imported. It's already imported. So if you see here inside this, all this Java needed files, here you can find it. Here you can find it. The same way, you also yeah. Same way you also can add your Selenium Java files so that your Selenium project also will ready with the Java, right? So let's see. Now, what I want to do is I want to let's see into this format XML. I double click on this form.xml. Form.xml file will be open now. You can see overview and dependencies, hierarchy, and effective form. So I'll not do anything now, and I will click on this last tab that is form.xml. Form.xml, right? This form.xml, if you observe here, if you observe here, this is an model version which is there, and this is group ID which we have given, right? Selenium learning. This is the group ID and artifact ID which we have given, right? And if you have given different things, is like in a group ID and different in a artifact ID will be shown here. And this version of this your snapshot is like 001 snapshot it is, and you can give it, and by modifying or increasing, it can be modified. All right. So now I'll say it's like if you want to add anything into this dependency, this form.xml, you can create as dependency tag, dependencies tag. Under this dependency, you can have dependency. Dependency. So this is basically you need to add your Maven repository location so that it automatically downloads it. Okay, so Maven project is created, and now I want to add this Selenium dependencies, right? And let's go to this Google and search Selenium WebDriver Maven dependency, right? It will take to you this Maven repository.com and or the Selenium hq.selenium Selenium Java Maven repository. Click on this link. Here you can see there are alpha versions and beta versions as well. This released versions, that is 3.1.1.59. This is the latest version. These are the alpha and beta versions, and you can, if you want to practice it, and you can practice it with this alpha beta version. But when you work for your project, you use this 3.14159. So I'll take this 3.14159. So this is what we need to be. So in our project, we already have this dependency and dependencies. Let's go to this. This is dependency tag and dependencies tag. So under the dependencies, you can add multiple dependency. So let's add my dependency. This is Selenium. Selenium HQ Selenium is there. My group ID, that is, and Selenium Java is the artifact ID. So the version is 3.14159. So I have added now. Okay, you do this. Here you can see still we have JRE system library only. There is no other files now. So let's save this. Let's save this. Once you there, if this downloading is started, and also you can find 7 dependencies added. See the Selenium jar files which we needed, it is added now. So we are good with this, Selenium now, right? And mm, mm, we need to be take it away. We don't have anything there, right? So take it away. That's that's good. So now we are good to be go with the Selenium code. Control set F will be given this formatting. I don't think we need this and just justifying the spaces and everything. Okay. And I'm taking this control D so that it will remove this empty line. Okay. Here also this shift control shift F is in formatting. I think it looks good now. And let's um, here we have two different kind of things. That is, you can create your package. Uh, uh, use this Java to make any kind of code for this test case. Okay, I'm create the new package as well as class so that I can write my uh, code. The class is first test case under the Selenium, another Selenium test case. Okay, so that's it. You see the package also is created and this class also is created now. So I can find out uh, this here this class and here if you want to be done it any code and you need the main method and I'm creating a main method here. So main method is taking time. Yes, main method. Main method. So this main method I'll write initialize this driver driver, web driver. I need to be imported this web driver and I'm taking the mouse here, import web driver, open, org open QA select. Yes, it is imported now. And then I can write, let me increase the font size, right? Yeah, you can see this web driver we initialized and then we are going to be, move on now. Driver is equal to new phone driver or Firefox driver. Okay, I'll take this Chrome driver. So once this is basically, you are initializing your project that is by using this new Chrome driver, and you are typecasting your, object into this web driver interface, so that you can use this your web driver methods. Okay. All right. Driver dot get is the one where I'm using this URL. The get is the method where it is going to be load your URL into this browser, given browser. And this get is having this one parameter that is URL. URL starts with this HTTP in colon, and then google.co.in I'm giving. Okay. So if I run this, it will get failed because you need to be give this uh, the browser exe file that is executable file, then only it will start working on it. You can see here the path of the driver executable must be set by web driver dot Chrome driver, right? And so you need to be set this, you need to be set the browser driver. So by using this system dot set property, you can set the property of key and value. This is WebDriver. The key is WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, and the value is the path of the driver. So where we will get this path of driver, we can search into this Google again, right? Selenium Chrome driver download. I'll take this exe file. Okay. Chrome driver, WebDriver of Chrome download. See here, it is having some releases here. So I'll take this 92 version because my application, my browser. Let's see my browser version and what is this my browser version. So, Google security and advanced. That is that. Settings. So basically, we'll find it in health. What it show about? Yeah, about Google Chrome. See, 92 version is mine and 451.5.131. So this is mine. So I will download this version. Right, and I'll take this Chrome driver Windows 32 version only. Let's go with this, and then if it is not going to work, since my system is 64-bit, still I'll use this 32-bit only. Let's try this, and if it will not work, and I will add later something else. Okay, so in folder, I'll copy this to my project location. I'll copy this to this my project location. Right. So I'll create a one folder for driver. Okay. So on this, I'll paste my file. Okay. Let's go to this location. So this is my driver folder. Inside this, I'll extract this file. Extract on, right? So that I can use this my Chrome exe. So this is my Chrome exe. I'll take this path of the still, which is showing in the exe. Okay, this is the path we need to be passing. All right. Now I will execute my script. Run a Java application. This will execute your script now. See, it is. I'm hoping this has helped you to be able to set up your Selenium. It is easy, and as well as it is given this good steps to be doing this. Thank you for all, and I'll see you next session. See you in this one.